This is one of the games I built completely using AI. And this right here is a quiz app, also created with AI. But hold on, is it really that simple? Not at all. Behind the scenes, this app is fully integrated with GPT-4 for intelligent question generation, connected to a database that stores user scores and progress, and powered by a complete credit purchase system with secure login and sign-up. So yes, this isn't just a demo or a prototype. This is a full-stack application built end-to-end using AI. So, how did I actually build all of this? You might think I use tools like Cursor, Anti-Gravity, or other agentic IDEs, basically vibe coding tools. But no, that's not what I used. Normally, to build an app like this, you'd need multiple APIs, OpenAI, Google Cloud, and other providers, each set up separately, each with its own keys and configuration. But today, I'm going to show you an exclusive approach, a way to build a complete web application with zero external API keys and without even using your local PC. That's because everything runs entirely in the cloud. No local setup, no running NPM, no waiting for installations. The entire environment is cloud-based, where you can write and edit the code, manage the full code base, and even download the complete project when you're done. All right, so let me introduce SeaVerse. SeaVerse is a platform that lets you build complete applications simply by having a conversation with an AI agent. You describe what you want, and the system handles the rest. It also supports multiple AI modalities, such as text, images, audio, video, and even 3D, each powered by state-of-the-art models. And the best part? You only need one single account to build, deploy, and share your projects with others. No complicated setup, no separate services, just one platform handling everything end-to-end. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how I build a complete money management web app using SeaVerse. This includes secure authentication, multi-user support, and a clean, well-designed user interface, all built step by step. And let's be honest, most money management apps on the App Store are pretty expensive, right? So instead of paying for one, why not build our own for free? Let's get started. So first, visit the SeaVerse platform using the link in the description and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface. Here, you can quickly type what you want to create and let the AI get started. But to better understand how the platform works, let's build an app step by step using the Builder. So go ahead and click Go to Builder. All right, you might see the screen because I'm currently working on an app, so you probably won't see this exact view. But when you want to create a new project, just click here and select Create App. Then give your app a name and click Create. And just like that, your new app is ready to be built. All right, let's quickly understand this interface. This is where you have your main conversation with the AI agent. You can type prompts here, attach files or images, and you can even give commands using your voice. Over here, you'll find the AI models the agent can use. You can choose whichever model fits your task best. Now, this section is the live preview. As you build your app, you can see real-time updates right here. If you click on Code, you can view the generated code. And yes, you can edit it and update your app anytime you want. Next is the Assets section. This is where all the files generated by your app or the AI agent are stored and displayed. And now, the most important part, skills. Skills are powerful tools you can use while developing your app. For example, the App Builder skill lets you create a complete application with a simple prompt without having to explain every detail. There's also the Front-End Design skill, which helps you improve and refine your app's user interface. And the Data SDK skill allows you to store and manage data on the server, essentially acting like a built-in database. I'll show you how to use this in a moment. You'll also find skills like Gemini Image Pro, which gives you access to models like Nano Banana and other Google models. That means you can use powerful image and AI models without managing separate API keys, exactly like I mentioned earlier. And from here, you can publish the application you've built directly to SeaVerse by simply clicking Publish. You can also download the complete source code at any time by clicking the download icon right here. Okay, now let's build the money management platform. To do that, you only need to write a simple prompt like this one. Notice that I've selected the App Builder skill. This tells the AI agent to use the App Builder to plan and create the entire money management app from end to end. Because of that, I don't need to manually explain every feature or workflow. The AI already understands how to structure a complete application. And here, you can see that I've also mentioned the front-end design skill for enhancing the app's user interface. So I'll copy this prompt and paste it right here. Then I'll select the skills I mentioned in the prompt by clicking this plus icon. Once that's done, I'll hit enter, and the AI agent will immediately start building the web app for us. Now you can see the agent actively using the skills we specified in the prompt and planning the entire application. That's great. And now it's starting to generate the files, which means in just a moment, we'll be able to see our app come to life right here in the preview area. Great! Now the agent has finished building the app, and it's walking us through everything it just completed. So let's take a look at how the app looks in the preview now. Wow, this result is honestly better than I expected. As you can see, all the core features are already in place, and the UI looks clean, modern, and minimal. So now let's put it to the test. I'll add a few transactions and see how well everything works. All right, everything works exactly as expected. But there's one issue. Right now, all the transactions are being saved in local storage, which means the data is stored only in your browser, not on the server. The problem with local storage is that you can't access this data from another device. If you switch browsers or devices, the data's gone. I'm explaining this briefly for those who aren't familiar with coding, but the good news is, even if you don't understand the technical side, you can still just tell the AI what's wrong and ask it to fix the problem. In this case, we need to store all transactions in a server-side database. And we also need a proper authentication system, meaning login and sign-up functionality. So now, let's see how we can implement both of these using just one single prompt. To create the login and sign-up pages, all you need is a simple prompt, just asking the AI to add those pages. In my case, I'll first ask the AI agent to create only the UI without any functionality. After that, I'll follow up with another prompt to implement the database integration, including secure username handling and hashed passwords. By breaking it into these steps, the process stays clean, simple, and easy to control. Great! Now you can see that the login page has been implemented successfully, and the agent is explaining exactly what it just did. As requested, it's only a demo login page for now. So the next step is to connect it to the database. But before we do that, I noticed something. The Logout button isn't working properly. And this is where things get really powerful. In situations like this, you don't need to debug anything manually. You simply tell the AI what's wrong, and within a few seconds, it fixes the issue for you.
Okay.
All right, the issue is now solved. The AI implemented a custom modal to display the warning and smoothly redirected the user back to the login page. Now that everything is working as expected, let's move on and implement the database integration. To do that, first add the Data SDK skill by selecting it here. Then type a simple prompt asking the AI to make the login system fully functional. Store all users and their related transactions in the database, and make sure passwords are securely hashed. Once that's done, hit enter and let the AI agent handle the entire implementation for you. Here you can see that I've written a simple prompt and clearly mentioned the Data SDK skill. In this prompt, I'm asking the agent to implement secure authentication and store all transactions separately for each user in the database. Now, let's see how it turns out.
Okay.
Perfect. Now the implementation is complete. As you can see, the agent didn't just add the features we asked for, it also fixed a few security issues and ran its own tests automatically. So now let's try it out and make sure everything is actually working the way it should in our web app. And if you want to confirm that the transactions are truly coming from the database, you can simply monitor the requests in your browser's Network tab. Amazing! And that's how I built a fully working money management app in just a few minutes. And this is only a small example of what SeaVerse can actually do. With built-in AI integrations, you can build far more advanced applications much faster than you might expect. You can find the app I just built and published using the link in the description below. I'll also share the direct link to this money management app so you can clone it, explore it, and improve it yourself. On top of that, SeaVerse has many other ready-made projects available on their official site. You can play around with them, clone them, and even remake them into something entirely new. I'll include all the relevant links in the description so you can easily check them out. And if you found this video helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd also love to hear what you're planning to build using SeaVerse. If you need any help with app development, feel free to reach out to me on Discord. I'll be happy to help. I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.